Hi, I'm Dr. Miller here with some advice about the milk you drink. A recent study suggests organic milk is a smart choice. When researchers compared milk from organic dairy farms with milk from conventional farms, they found that organic moo juice delivered considerably more healthful fats and antioxidants. Cows from organic dairy farms are raised free of hormones, antibiotics, and pesticide-containing feed. They also tend to graze on nutrient-rich grass and clover instead of the grain often fed to commercially raised dairy cows. This extra nutritious organic farm diet may have a major impact on the composition of cow's milk, researchers say. In this study, organic milk sported 39% more alpha-linoleic acid and 60% more conjugated linoleic acid than the conventional milk. These healthy fats may help fight cancer and protect against type 2 diabetes. The milk from organically raised cows also provided more vitamin E, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. So when you're at the dairy case deciding between organic and conventional milk, go with the organic stuff. For more ways to nourish your family's health, watch and share all our smart tips right here.